skid steer in here. As you can see, we got it all leveled off for the most part. We're going to take a rake and rake all this down. Fortunately, I had a few accidents with the skid steer. I hit that corner, kind of messed that corner up, but I can't do nothing now. It's a little too late. But we got all the caps on, we got the top rail on, it's all filled in with dirt now. We got that all done. Whew, what a day it's been. What a day it's been. I'll tell you what, me and Amy tried to do this with a wheelbarrow because I think I had a total of 6. Yeah, I think it was five churts and 2 topsoils brought in, and the chert was just enough to get us here and level off the banks on the side, and the topsoil was enough to fill this up and do a skim coat all the way around the outer edge of the garden because of the drop it takes. But we're done, we're ready. Now it's time to start putting the fence around the perimeter, trim it out with the rest of that. So you're going to have to come back and see that video. I'm Justin. Amy's in there working as usual. This is the Swisher Homestead. Don't forget, hit that subscribe button. It's free. It's free to hit that subscribe button and that thumbs up. The more thumbs up you guys hit, the more apt that our video will be placed in a higher percentage. I don't know why. It's the analytics of it. So at that point, guys, I'm done. I'm going to go get a nap now. I'm tired. And my body feels like I'm still shaking like this from being in that skid steer. So I'll see you guys later. God bless.